Welcome to another Easy Build video, where you can learn how to build a professional grade website quickly and easily without any prior experience or coding required. I'll be adding new content to this channel on a regular basis, so if you want to keep up with the latest website building tips and tools, just click the like and subscribe buttons below the video. Now what we can do, I'm going to show you, this obviously takes some time and planning to think of how you want to design and lay out your elements of your website. If you're like me and that takes a while and you're in a hurry to get your business website up and going, I would highly recommend one of the pre-built layouts. So what we can do there, let's go down there. We're going to click this plus button. And as you can see here, one of the really powerful features of Divi, it comes with, right now they have almost 2,500 total layouts. They add more literally every week, and that keeps growing. You'll have access to all of those layouts. Right now they have 340 layout packs, which are basically a group of page layouts. So for instance, let's just click on one here. Like, see, it has a contact page layout, a blog layout, landing page layout. That's what consists of a layout pack. And there are a lot of different options here. There's literally a layout pack for any business industry that you could imagine, pretty much. If you want to narrow them down by industry, you can. So if you have a health business or like a professional, medical professional business, they have options for that. There's, say you are in the restaurant industry, there's options for that. If you have a service-based business, there's options there as well. Just general business. So this goes on and on. I mean, you can spend quite a bit of time going through here and viewing all the different layouts. So I'm just going to pick one. Let's just try this one here. All right, what you're going to want to do is click Use this layout. I'm going to go ahead and replace the existing content. So you want to pay attention to this box down here. If you have content on your page that you want to keep, you want to uncheck that box. In my case, I'm going to replace it. Use this layout. Go ahead and import this. This process here can take several minutes. All right, once that is loaded, now you have a pre-built layout. These save so much time and effort, especially if you're somebody with no experience in designing a website. So I highly recommend these just to get up and going. These are also designed by professionals. So you're basically getting a professional web design at just a mere fraction of the cost of hiring a professional. You can see all the elements in here. You can edit any of these elements that you want. You can rearrange them just like you were building from scratch. You can delete them if there's something you don't like. You can add new sections or elements. One of the other powerful things about Divi is the amount of styling options that it provides. Normally you would have to handwrite a bunch of code to provide different styling options for elements. So let's just experiment with some of those. As you can see here, if you click on a module, under the Design tab, here are all the styling options available. You can go through and change any text that you want, size, spacing. If you want to add a box shadow, you can. They also have animations. And let's just experiment with some of these. All right, I'm going to save that. Move down here to this title and go to the design tab, go down to animation. And we're going to want that one to slide in from the right. Let's go over here to this right image, click the design tab, go to animation. And that's going to slide in from the left. All right, we'll go to this next one. Keep going here. And you can do this with as many or as few elements that you want to. If you don't want any animations, you don't have to. If it's something that you like, you can apply whatever you want. There are several different options in here. You just have to go through and experiment with them. And I'm going to stick with that one, and then one more, and then I'll show you all of these combined here, what the end result looks like. Actually, I'm going to delay this one slightly. All right, save that. Now, anytime you make changes, you always, even though you save each module, you want to go down to the bottom right and save the whole page. So what we're going to do here now is go back to the front end and just refresh this page. And now you have your new layout. And if you decide that you don't like a layout, it's very easy to change them. You can just go down here to the menu, the three dots, open that up, and go to this plus button. And this gets you back to the same screen that we were at when we loaded the first layout. You can sort by category. You just basically repeat the process, go through here and just pick a layout, and you would click use this layout. Once again, if you want to replace the existing content, make sure that button's checked. If you want to save your content, just make sure that you uncheck it. All right, so that's how the pre-built layouts work. And let's take a look at some of the global elements and how to customize that right quick. Go back to the dashboard, go under appearance and customize. And this area here, this is going to make what we call global or site-wide changes. For instance, say I don't like this white menu up top and want to change that color or the text color, we can do that from here. Go over here to header navigation, primary menu bar, and background color. Then you can also make changes to the footer or any of these different elements in here. Typography is under general. Here is where you can change font styles. And they have all of these fonts in the Divi theme are Google fonts. So there's a lot of font styles to choose from. I'm not going to go through all these. So that is where you would change global elements if you need to. So after you make changes, just click Publish. And let's go back to the front end right quick and refresh the page. And now we can see those changes made up here. If you want to learn how to quickly and easily build your own website or online store from start to finish, join us at easybuild.works. Hope to see you there.